This is a brief video tour of the downstairs one-bedroom studio apartment in my house. I will give you a quick guide through. This is the back door, which also leads to the upstairs, which is my house. And then over here is tiled stairs that go down to the entry into this separate studio. Here we go. This is the kitchen area, and here's the kitchen sink area, cabinets, and then you can see over here, here's the bathroom. There's the shower. Toilet is there, and cabinets and sink. Then here is the bedroom. It's really big, has a futon, pretty much furnished. You can change some things if you want. Built-in storage in the walls, and a closet right here. And then lastly, this is a door to a jointly shared room, which has my laundry in it. And here is the laundry. It's a desk here, and there's the laundry.